Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best diaper caddy that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Hiccapop. The Hiccapop Diaper Caddy is one of the most excellent diaper caddy designs and is simple to install on a crib or changing table. Placing all the baby's necessities close at hand makes diaper changing simpler. The safest, most reliable, and most practical diaper changing organizer on the market today was thoughtfully created and engineered at Stanford University for parents. And it looks good too. So that you never have to leave young children alone while changing diapers, 6 sturdy reinforced shelves and 2 handy pockets are designed to keep everything within reach. It comes with 3 sturdy straps with buckles that allow hanging almost anywhere. If you want to hang it on nursery walls and doors, there are 2 looped eyelets. Heavy-duty shelving prevents shelf drooping and adds stability. It is strong enough to hold 72-count diaper wipe bags. At number 4. 3 Sprouts. If your baby is an animal lover, they will like the animal-themed diaper caddy from 3 Sprouts for all your nursery necessities. The 3 Sprouts diaper caddy is the ideal bag. Due to the convenience of having everything in one place and at your fingertips, this diaper caddy simplifies diaper duty. A parent requires a variety of baby accessories at all times to care for their child. For the first time, carrying everything a newborn might need is made simpler for parents by the Diaper Caddy Organizer. These adorable diaper bags are available in various unusual hues and creatures. Choose your preferred look to go with the nursery, or keep extra stuff for your child in storage. 3 Sprouts produce modern designs made of premium materials. Composed to last, this caddy is made of sturdy polyester. Now, you can simply organize your baby's diapers in a neat way. If you are searching for a helpful baby shower gift, then this diaper caddy will be the best option. At number 3. Motef. If you want the best diaper caddy with a waterproof bag, picking the Motef Extra Large Diaper Caddy will be the best option. One of the enormous diaper bags on the market, Motef is also one of the lightest. You have enough room to fit all the baby changing supplies you'll need, from newborn to toddler. Books, crafts, art supplies, school-age toys, a storage container for cosmetics and skincare products, a knitting basket, an organizer for creative tools, and more can all be kept in this caddy. This tote has a safe zip-top closing to guarantee everything stays organized while traveling. Simply roll and Velcro tuck the cover if you don't want to use it. It's essential for disguising any potentially unattractive circumstances. Due to the presence of plastic within the wall and dividers, it is not as flimsy as other items in the same category and therefore doesn't collapse when empty. Exterior and interior materials are made of 300D robust, high-quality polyester without dangerous adhesives and with a non-toxic EVA construction. It features 3 Velcro parts that are movable and adjustable and may be used to partition the inside of your bag. 8 exterior pockets can carry toys, moisturizer, sunscreen, clothes, and hairbrushes. It boasts strong and high-quality PU leather handles to keep everything in place. This bag is simple to move around the house or transport in a car due to its gorgeous leather handles. Both parents and children will love the color patterns of this storage organizer. At number 2. Munchkin. Keep all your diaper changing necessities organized and accessible with the Munchkin Diaper Organizer, a practical and fashionable solution. This robust organizer, which is ideal for carrying around the house, comes with a matching, laminated changing pad that is simple to clean in addition to separate sections and additional pockets for diaper creams, ointments, and other essentials. Ensure that everything you require for a tidy, content baby is always within easy reach. The wipeable changing pad that matches the portable diaper organizer is also easy to clean. Gray is a great hue to use in any houseroom because it is gender neutral. Munchkin Diaper Caddy features a padded grip for comfort when transporting. The diaper organizer keeps diapers, wipes, and creams within easy reach by including numerous sections and side pockets for diaper changing needs. At number 1. Cradle Star. Cradle Star Hanging Diaper Caddy is one of the best hanging diaper caddies available on the market. You can attach this diaper caddy with a crib, changing table, and walls. This hanging diaper caddy has 4 pockets that let you store diapers, ointments, toys, and other baby necessities close at hand without taking up a lot of room. Along with all the other newborn baby supplies and cot accessories you need to store, it can carry up to 40 diapers. Cradle Star Hanging Diaper Organizer is ideal whether you're seeking a practical changing solution for your home or while traveling. The diaper holder may be mounted virtually anywhere thanks to its 2 hooks and 2 eyelets. This durable diaper caddy organizer for changing tables is made of 600D polyester of the highest quality so that it will endure the test of time. This crib diaper organizer is strong enough to carry all the different changing table supplies you need to have on hand for your new baby because it has reinforced shelves for added durability. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.